Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro landscape to portrait. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Rotating a video from landscape to portrait orientation in Premiere Pro is a common task that video editors perform to adapt their footage for different platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. This method involves using the effect controls to rotate your video and adjust its size and position. This is the most direct way to change your video's orientation. So now, let's launch the Adobe Premiere Pro on your PC and open your existing project or just create a new one by click Create New. Then name your project if you prefer to. Then hit OK once you are done. Drag the video from the project panel to the timeline. Click on the video clip and the timeline to choose it. Go to Effect Controls to open the Effect Controls panel. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Motion section. Find the Rotation property and enter 90 or negative 90 degrees to rotate your video from landscape to portrait. Alternatively, you can rotate 180 degrees if you need to flip the orientation. Use the scale properties to center the video and fit it within the new orientation. Adjust the scale to fill the frame appropriately. Ensure that your subject remains in the view.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.